So in previous tutorial we have seen how to draw object using inbuilt functions of graphics.h. Now today I will show you how to fill or how to paint the background, how to fill the objects, and how to apply the animation to the objects using inbuilt functions of graphics.h. Initially here I will draw two objects. So first I will use a rectangle. There is a function available as a rectangle so that you can use it. So I will draw the rectangle. So this is nothing but a rectangle I have drawn. Now I will draw two circles. Circle. So I will draw at 200, 300, 30, and circle it will be at 400, 300, 30. So two circles I have drawn. Now this is nothing but object I have drawn. Now here I will show you how to fill the objects. Here the objects are rectangle and circle. For giving the background there is a command set pk color. K color is 3, suppose 3 or 5. So with this command you can give or you can have the background, you can change the background. Here you can see the whole object is white color boundary. So I can set the boundary with the command as set color. So I am using set color function. Set color is suppose 6. Now the boundary of the object is drawn with the color specified by 6. Now my aim is to fill the objects. So I will fill the objects. So filling of objects. So there are various commands. So the commands are set fill style. I can use this set fill style command or function. I can use flood fill function. So direct inbuilt functions from the library I will use set fill style and flood fill. So what is in the set fill? Set fill style. So it gives you the style and color. If suppose you want to see the help of this, you can right click. So you have to specify the pattern and then you have to specify the color. So what pattern you want? There are various patterns available. Those patterns are empty fill, solid fill, line fill, slash fill, backslash fill, hatch fill. So accordingly you will have the numbers and you can fill the object. If suppose set fill style, I will start with the 7, color as 3, and then I will write flood fill. So I want to fill suppose a rectangle. So using flood fill I will fill the rectangle. Hence I am using specifying the inside number or inside value, and the boundary is 6. So the syntax for flood fill is you have to specify the seed pixel coordinates, means the pixel from the inside, and this is nothing but a boundary. So I have specified the boundary as a 6. So I have given 6 as a boundary color and 201 that is inside the rectangle. So I will save this and I will compile it. You can see that this is nothing but the rectangle is filled. Now the some part of rectangle is not filled because the area which is not filled, it is occupied by circle and rectangle. So whenever you want to fill that area, so you can specify the inside point of that area, then only that area will be filled. Now I will fill the circles. Again I can use the set fill style and flood fill. I will copy this and I can, this is nothing but filling of circles. So I will have some other fill style. If suppose I want 6 or if suppose 5 and color is 7, and in this case I am keeping the same 5 and 7. Now flood fill, you should specify the inside point. Circle is drawn at, first circle is drawn at 200 300, second is 400 300. So I will put value which is inside the circle, so I will put it as, suppose it is 180 comma 300 in first case, and in second case if I am putting it as 300 and this is suppose 400 and 410. See, both the areas are filled, only one area is remaining, that is occupied by both rectangle and circle, so that also can be filled. How? By specifying the inside point of that particular region. So you can put the set fill style, and you can have the 5 comma 7 because you want to put or fill that as it is as a circle. Then flood fill, so the area which is inside of that, or the point from inside of that value, is nothing but x is increasing, y is decreasing. X increasing means it is 220 and y is decreasing, you can put as 180. And fill style, or the boundary 6. So whole area is filled. Actually this is not required because the point is from outside, hence it happens. I must put that area as it is 280, so completely filled. Now similarly you can have a remaining circle to be filled. Set fill style, if suppose 5 comma 7 and then flood fill, so you have to specify the inside point. Hence in first video I have said that you should draw the object carefully and have that coordinates very carefully, then and then only it is easy to fill or easy to draw. So we have filled everything. Now after filling we can give them the animation. Define one variable as I, as an integer, as a variable, and then you can write the for loop. For I is equal to 0, I less than 100, I plus plus, and that whole for loop, it will be up to, means it is for all the objects which are as a one, which are part of the one object. So for I is equal to 0, I less than 100, I plus plus. So you can add the I everywhere in x coordinate. So this is x coordinate. Wherever you want to move in that direction, you have to add or subtract. I want to add in x because I want to move in x direction only, so that then here flood fill plus I, so in x direction only I am adding. So all the x, in all the x I am adding I plus I. So put that and see. To remove that overlapping, use clear device function. So clear device function will remove the earlier instance, clear device. If you have that particular compilation, then yeah, it is fastly it will done. So if you want to do it slowly, or if you want to see it how actually it is happening, then you can have the dos.h function, or it is delay function. You have to use delay function 100, Now this whole animation will be, don't use delay here, use delay at the end. And you can put 50 as a delay. Yeah, now it is moving towards right side in the x direction. If you want to move in the x as well as y direction, then you can have addition of the new variable. Means here I is changing from 0 to 100, so initially it is 0, so it is adding 0, it becomes 1, then addition of 1, 2, 3. So similarly this 200 will be reaching to till 300. So this is nothing but how you can draw the object, how you can change the background of the object, how you can set the colors, how you can fill the objects, and how you can give the animation for the objects.